name is Sarah McCourt, and I was nominated by Kiara McLaughlin to take the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. Thanks for that. My dad here is here to return the favor from his Ice Bucket Challenge. He's gonna dunk me. It's gonna be good. I'd like to nominate Sheila McCourt, Ryan McCourt, and Brian McLaughlin to take the Ice Bucket Challenge next. You have 24 hours to comply, but I was late, so that's probably not gonna count too much. That's fine. Oh, it's gonna be bad.
Oh, this is filled to the very top.
Oh,
I better
dear.
empty some.
Are you
Sweet
cold?
revenge.